What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, I went crazy at Dollar General, y'all. Cheap deals y'all can do Monday through Friday, because y'all know we got that 5 off of 25 all week long and even on Saturday. But it's better to do these deals now than to wait, because people are snatching this stuff off the shelves. No lie, I was scrambling just to get some of these transactions done and find this stuff. But before we get into this video, like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into these Dollar General deals, y'all. Plus, I got some clearance stuff from Walmart that I want to show y'all in case y'all are out at Walmart. Y'all can keep your eyes peeled for these items as well. So let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, here are two transactions that I did at Dollar General. We are gonna start off with this deal right here. Okay, y'all, on the gain, it is the $9.95 gains. They got a coupon that's making these two for $15. You can get two of the same ones, or you can mix and match. Doesn't matter as long as they are $9.95. Then they popped out with another good coupon, y'all, for the Lysol, Clorox, Ziploc, and Kleenex products, where if you spend 15, you save $5. So these Lysol wipes, y'all, are $5 each, totaling 15. So I save $5 right there. So these 5 items came up to $19, making each one $3.80 each. And don't forget to clip that 5 off of 25, not the one for Saturday, but the one for Monday through Friday if you do this deal before Saturday. Now, on the next transaction, y'all, is the same thing with the Lysol. Grab 3 of them at $5 each. That's 15. That and I meant to tell you, the Lysol has $1 off as well. So we are actually gonna be saving $6 instead of 5, because we're gonna be saving 5 off of the 15 and then $1 off of one of the Lysol wipes. So I picked up 3 of those. Then on the Swiffer mop cloths, they are the $10 ones. Don't matter which ones you buy of those. As you can see, I got the original one and then I got the lavender one, but they are $10 each. We have a coupon making them buy one get one free. So make sure that 5 off of 25 is clipped. You will be paying $14, y'all. Yes, $14, making each item $2.80 each. And, you know, I don't discuss tax because everybody's tax is different. But the prices that I gave y'all, it wouldn't be too much more than what I said, just because I'm not putting the tax on these products. So those are the first 2 transactions I did. Now let me show y'all the other transactions I did. Okay, y'all, here are the next 2 transactions I did. Starting off with the big gain, y'all, it is $15.95. We have a $3 attaching, making it $12.95. And then, as you can see, I picked up 2 of the $9.95 gains. Once again, getting those for $15. So the total for these items was $24.87, making each item $8.29 each. Still cannot beat that, y'all. Super deal. Then on the next one, it's kind of the same, except I switched it up. Instead of getting the other liquid detergent for $9.95, I picked up some of the new beads I seen. These are the super fresh blast beads, and they are $9.95. And then I picked up a $15.95 gain as well, totaling $24.87, making each item $8.29. Y'all, I had to run that deal back, and yes, I used multiple accounts. Um, because you can't keep using the same coupons in the same account, if you get what I mean. Because once you use the coupon, it is gone. And also, it is important to keep your receipts, because as you can see, they have that Monday through Friday coupon on there as well, along with the one for Saturday. But if you use the one in the app and still have coupons on that app that you want to use, you can always hit them with this paper coupon and keep on using the same app. That is another way to be able to utilize all your coupons, plus still get your 5 off for 25 off. So, with that being said, y'all, we are gain wasted over here. And this ain't the only transaction I got, y'all. Let me show y'all another one I did. Okay, y'all, here is another deal. The same two deals I just showed y'all. Same deal, different products. The game flings in the middle was $15.95. That $3 attaches to this as well, making it $12.95. And then you got your two $9.95 gains. The beads and the liquid. So either way you want to do it, you can do it. Two $9.95 products and one $15 product. You will be paying $24.87, $8.29 each. Y'all, and that is all that I got from Dollar General. Now I want to show y'all some deals that I did at Walmart. Well, not deals, but some clearance items. Okay, y'all, if y'all are ever in Walmart, keep your eyes peeled for these 3-drawer wide carts. And this is what the label looks like. And maybe if you see the barcode, that'll help as well. And you probably can look it up to see what's, because the app will tell you what store it's in, and these were $9, y'all. Normally they are 20 to $29 for these. I mean, it's not the best color, not white or black, your typical color, but hey, $9, you cannot beat that. Plus you can put hair stuff in these. What else? Hair stuff, anything you want to, you can put in these. These come in handy. Plus they have wheels on them as well. And I think the wheels is it, well, they was in the drawer. I don't know if they fell out. Well, here are the wheels. So they do come with wheels, and $9, great price. Now let me show y'all some other items. Okay, y'all, here are some other items I had got from Walmart, starting off with this bow, super cute, y'all. On the shelf, it was saying it was $10, but it was by a lot of clearance stuff. So I had scanned it, and y'all, this pretty bow was $5. I had to have it because I am about to put it on this table, and this stuff, this right there, is about to go right in this bow. Then these toys, y'all, had them marked down. This thing right here, the Barbie pop thing, was like $12. Then the Mariah Elizabeth Color Splash series, it was $6. And then this LOL costume surprise, y'all, normally this thing was $29. Tell me why I got this for $12 and some change. So yeah, y'all, when y'all in Walmart, be on the lookout for clearance items. They are going nuts in Walmart right now with the clearance items. It is so many, it's ridiculous. At the end of the video, I took pictures of some of the clearance items and listed the prices on them. So I'll be posting that at the end of the video. Be on the lookout for that. Let me know if y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all plan on doing some of these deals at Dollar General, don't let them slip by. And yeah, y'all, I will see y'all in the next video. But before I leave, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of deals I will be dropping next. Don't know how many times I gotta stress that. And plus, I noticed too, I got a lot of subscribers, but ain't nobody been watching my videos for real. What's going on with that? Y'all don't want none of these deals. Y'all don't want to save money. That's fine with me, but I'm putting it out here, and whoever enjoys it, thank you. So stay tuned for these Walmart clearance items, and I will see y'all in the next video. I'm out, y'all. Peace.